Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
3 ways to automate your small business with Thryv. Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into 3 ways to automate your small business with Thryv. If you're ready to save time, reduce stress, and let tech handle the busy work, you're in the right place. Let's see how you can set up automated reminders, invoices, and review requests that keep your business running, even while you sleep. Automated reminders. First up, automated reminders. Thryv lets you schedule appointment confirmations and reminders that go out automatically by email or text. No more last-minute calls. No more no-shows. Just set it up once, and Thryv handles it every time. You can choose when these go out, like a day before or an hour before the appointment. Automated invoices next. Automated invoices. As soon as a job is done, Thryv can automatically send a branded invoice. And if a client forgets to pay, Thryv follows up with reminders, so you don't have to. It also gives your clients easy, secure payment options right from the invoice. Automated review requests and the third game changer. Automated review requests. After you mark a service complete, Thryv can automatically ask your clients for a review. That's how you grow your online reputation without manually chasing feedback. You choose where, Google, Facebook, wherever it matters most. And that's it. 3 easy ways to automate your business with Thryv, so you can focus on what you do best. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which task would you love to automate today? Check
Thanks
the
for
link
watching.
below if you want
Ready
to
to take the
explore
next
Thryv
step?
for your business.
Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.